Hi everyone, it's Miss Maths 1. Today we're going to be looking at grade 8 numbers and operations. The level of these sums you can be expected to do in grade 8s and grade 9 examinations. So what I want you to do is pause the screen, try these sums out by yourself, and then you can unpause when you finish them and follow along to see if you got them right. Alright, so the first sum we've got is -10 minus -8. Now, what we need to see is with these operations, I've got two signs next to one another. So let's simplify that. A negative and a negative. That simplifies to a positive. So we can rewrite the expression as -10 plus 8. Alright, and now using our number line, our integer line, we can see -10 is we've got more negatives than positives. So the answer to this would be -2. Alright? A little shortcut that I do, I've got 10 negatives, 8 positives. There are more negatives than positives, so the answer is going to be negative. How many more negatives than positives? 2. So that would be the answer. Alright, sum number 2. -4 multiplied by 5 plus -5 to the power of 2. Now guys, there are so many operations going on over here. So we need to apply BODMAS. And falling into high school, we're going to actually be applying EBODMAS. The E stands for exponents. So let's go ahead. I'm going to keep the -4 multiplied by 5 plus. Now the reason that I'm going to be dealing with this first is because here is our exponent. So we have to do that first. So this squared is being applied to -5. So that means -5 by itself twice. -5 times -5. Two negatives give me a positive, and 5 times 5 is 25. Alright, now we've ticked off the exponents. There aren't any brackets left of division, but there is multiplication. So we're going to do that first. We've got -4 multiplied by 5. The multiplication of a negative and a positive give me a negative. Then I'm going to follow through with a plus 25. And now once again, on our integer number line, -20 plus 25. That will give us an answer of 5. Alright, the third sum we've got here is the cubic root of -64 plus -2 to the power of 0. Now guys, remember, a cube root, it's evaluating what number multiplied by itself this amount of times, 3 times, gives us what is underneath the sign. So the answer to this would be -4, because -4 times -4 times -4 gives us an answer of -64, which is on the inside. Then I have this plus. Now, by one of the laws of exponents, anything to the power of 0 gives us an answer of 1. So this 0 is being applied to the entire bracket. So the answer is 1. -4 plus 1, well, the answer to that is -3. Alright, now let's have a look at the last one. We've got the square root of 36 multiplied by 3 to the power of 2 minus 2 to the power of 3. Now, square root. Note how cubic root had a 3 here. Square root has an invisible 2 over there. So it means what number times itself 2 times gives me 36. The answer to that is 6. Now in this brackets, I can start simplifying what these expressions are. 3 to the power of 2 means 3 times 3. So the answer to that is 9. Minus 2 to the power of 3 means 2 times 2 times 2. So the answer to that is 8. Alright, let's do BODMAS, guys. So brackets, 6 multiplied by, the value in the brackets, 9 minus 8 is 1. And 6 times 1 is 6. Alright guys, so these are the 4 examples. You can mark the ones you've done by yourself. If you followed through and you've liked the content we've done today, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and see you next time.